In this video, I'm going to show you how to add HTML and CSS code in Silex. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside your website, you want to click on the plus button at the top left, and then you want to scroll down a bit until you find this custom code block, and you want to drag and drop it in here, and then here it's going to say insert your code, and this is where you basically have to paste either your HTML or CSS code. So just paste it in, click on save, and as you can see, there we go. I have a simple calculator over here, which I just basically put in using code. And of course, if for example there's an error for you, so it says something like JavaScript or something cannot be read on here, you'll basically have to publish the website first, and then it should work. So if I go ahead over here and copy some random code which I generated, and I try to put it in here, if I click on save, it has script on it. As you can see, it says custom code with script can't be rendered on the canvas. However, it should be working perfectly whenever you actually publish it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.